Let me show you 4 different ways you can tie a wrap dress. The first one is obviously the traditional way. You can either tie it on the back or in the front. My apologies for this long talking video, but I really wanted to walk through each step on how to wrap each dress. The second method is a play on the first method. So you keep the wrap as you would, and when you bring your string in the front, you gather some of the fabric and you tie the knot in front using some of that fabric. And what this is going to do is create a beautiful ruche in the front. If you want to hide your belly or just create a bit of a distraction, this method works really well, and it keeps the wrap on the chest still very conservative and secure. This method definitely requires the wrap dress to have long panels, and thankfully this pen dress does, so you can have a lot of fun with it. Okay, the third and fourth method is a little racy, and again, it won't work on every dress, but it does work with this pen dress because the tassels are long enough and the panels are long enough. So what you're going to want to do is take the dress and actually wrap each panel together like a bow. Then you can have fun here, create a little knot, and then just gather the two ends and tie it up. And you see how this is a bit scandalous if you don't fasten it correctly, because the seam is now at the center of the dress. Don't forget, we're freestyling here, so just tie the dress accordingly, shift everything over, secure everything, and there you have it. That's dress number 3. Okay, dress number 4 starts the same way as dress number 3. So you're going to tie it, but rather than tying a knot in the front, you're just going to secure it and do some folds. Again, we're getting creative, but that's what's fun about these flowy dresses. Now I'm going to tie this one on the side just because that's how the ties make the most sense. And then I do a little tuck, fix the dress again. You want to make sure that all your areas are covered. You wrap the dress. And this time I'm just actually bringing the sleeves up because I can. There's a nice elastic. And there you go. This is like a totally different dress. And that, my friends, is how you get 4 dresses in one. Thanks for watching. Bye.